How to solve email deliverability issues for Shopify marketing campaigns. Follow the instructions. Authenticate your domain with SPF, DKIM, DMARC and DMARC to improve trust and deliverability. Use a reliable email service provider that prioritizes high deliverability rates. Regularly clean your email list to remove inactive or bounced contacts. Segment your audience based on behavior, purchase history, and engagement. Personalize your email content to increase engagement and avoid spam triggers. A/B test subject lines, content, and send times to optimize performance. Monitor your sender reputation using tools like Google Postmaster tools. Ensure your emails are mobile-friendly and comply with GDPR, CAN, spam, and CCPA. Thank you for watching.